Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, July 14th, and we're going to kick off our CoT report here for the data that came out on Friday, July 12th. We will start with the SPX, but just a quick reminder that derivatives trading is inherently risky and past performance is not indicative of future returns. When we look at the SPX here, we do see that commercials are still net short. Open interest is very low, and we're getting no signals on our position or duration triggers at the moment. So we're kind of in wait and watch here for some of these signals to develop. But if we look at our levels from last week, our upper target, as we mentioned, was 57.01. And we went just a few points beyond that on CPI and into PPI at the end of the week. For the week ahead, we're going to watch for the market to be rotational between 55.60 and 56.94. And if we can confirm over 56.94, we'll target 57.40 and 57.51. Our pivot for the week is at 56.18. Now we'll turn to the crypto markets. And again, we're still waiting on the signals to develop here. Commercials did cut most of their long position before the drop on CPI into Wednesday. We are still waiting for this consolidation to give us a clear signal that's been going on since March. We're going to wait for some kind of signal to develop on our CoT report and then a move outside of our zones. But for the week ahead, we did want to give out some levels here on Bitcoin. And we're going to watch for rotational price action between 55,328 and 62,560 with our pivot at 58,684. The extreme edges that we're going to watch are 65,603 and 51,765. Now we'll turn to commodities here. And again, still about the same on the commodity side. Gold did hit our target last week, 2420, on the breakout over 2359. And for the week ahead, our rotational range will be 2350 to 2420. And if we can confirm a breakout over 2420, then our target is 2470, and our pivot for the week is at 2387. And then lastly, we'll go to currencies here. We did discuss the yen the last couple of weeks, and our signals were laid out on the move up and where the safe area was to get long at spot 00635. We did see that end up playing out into CPI and the dollar weakening. So now we'll watch for either continuation this week to see if the trend will be interrupted, this big downtrend that we've been in, or if this will just lead to another reload on the short side. This carry trade has generated a lot of alpha over the last couple of years, but the signals are beginning to stack up that if we can create support at spot 00642, then we could look for a multi-week bounce. For this week on the 6J, we'll watch for rotational price action between spot 00642 and spot 0062975 with our pivot at spot 006352. Again, if we get over spot 00642, then we will be looking for longs and we'll be targeting spot 006511. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to check us out at Sticks Trading Academy or on X at Sticks Trading. And you can see our courses and our Discord offerings on our website as well. Have a great weekend.